The Phonak Roger Digimaster will be placed in an ideal location for the student in your classroom that is carefully considered by the teacher of the deaf and hard of hearing. Please do not move the location of the speaker without consulting them. To power on the Roger Digimaster speaker, toggle the power switch on the bottom of the speaker to the on position. The LED light on the speaker will flash blue or green. Next, power on the Roger touchscreen microphone by pressing and holding the power button on the side of the device until the screen turns on. This is the primary microphone and must be turned on and in lanyard mode for any secondary microphones in the network to operate. Any voices picked up by the touchscreen mic will be amplified by the speaker. Finally, power on any additional touchscreen microphones or pass-around microphones that are used with this speaker. The pass-around microphone can be used for class discussions and will amplify the voices of the students in your class. If you do not hear your voice being amplified by the pass-around, remember to check that the main touchscreen microphone is turned on and in lanyard mode. To power off the Digimaster, toggle the power switch on the bottom of the speaker to the off position. For more information about how to use the Roger touchscreen and pass-around microphones, please click on the links in the video description below.